Hey there. In today's video, we're diving into how you can change your voice to sound like a girl in WhatsApp voice messages. Let's get started. Before we change our voice, let's take a quick look at WhatsApp's amazing voice message features and how they enhance communication. Voice modulation apps not only provide fun voice effects, but also allow for anonymity and creativity in your voice messages. Let's explore more. First things first, you'll need to download a voice changer app. Check your app store for top-rated choices and install one. Once your voice changer app is installed, it's time to set it up for WhatsApp. Follow these simple steps to connect it properly. Now that you're connected, let's record your voice message. Press record in the voice changer app and speak your message. Play around with the settings to find the perfect female voice. Adjust pitch and modulation until you find what suits you best. After recording, switch back to WhatsApp and send your newly created voice message to your contacts. Share the fun. Encountering issues? Don't worry. Here are some common problems and simple troubleshooting tips to get you back on track. And that's a wrap. Let's quickly recap the key steps. Download the app, connect it to WhatsApp, record your voice, and send it off. Have fun with it.